late kay wala si dad na masora. Arita sa Chuck E. Cheese mag Memorial Day celebration. Malingaw panindo ka. So, why are you scared?
Because of the doggy mouth and the doggy face.
Pero we paid for $70 to play inside Chuck E. Cheese and you're not using it.
Because I'm scared of the doggy mouth.
Nag-extra bayad pa ako ng trampoline kasi gusto niya maglaro sa trampoline. Naka 1 minute lang siya doon.
But I forgot there was a giant doggy mouth.
So at least si Thea nag-enjoy sa mga games.
So I got scared.
Okay, tell your viewers, why did you get scared?
Because of the doggy mouth and doggy face.
Because of the doggy mouth
And doggy face.
and the doggy face. So dito kami sa Chuck E. Cheese ngayon. Ayaw na niyang maglaro. Pero at least si Thea, doon siya banda sa bowling. Hindi natin makita dito. So dyan party area. Dyan party area. Nakadalawang birthday ata si Thea dito. Yeah, nakadalawang birthday party si Thea dito nung nasa Berkeley pa kami. Si Frey hindi pa naka-party dito. So yun lang ang aming Memorial Day celebration. Kasi si Dad may sariling lakad.
I'm just gonna watch the video.
Okay, so ngayon hintayin na lang namin si Thea dito bago kami mag-order ng drinks doon. Busog pa kami bago pa kami nag-lunch. Kaka-lunch lang namin, kaya drinks na lang siguro ang bilhin namin. Okay, can you say Happy Memorial Day?
No.
Natakot siya sa yung dog pounder doon. Nilaro ko kasi.
Don't face it there.
Natakot siya kasi ang lalaki ng bunganga.
Don't face it there.
Okay.
Don't face the camera.
Happy Memorial Day, everyone! Okay, stop crying na. So, hintayin na lang namin si Thea dito matapos yung tickets niya. Buti pa si Thea, nag-enjoy. Itong kapatid niya, wala, umiiyak na. Hi, Tay! You're having fun?